Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about history from Dominican Republic. In 1492, the Genoese explorer Christopher Colombo reached our island and named it Hispaniola. In 1682, Treaty of Ryswick gave the western part of Hispaniola to France. In 1821, the so-called ephemeral independence of the eastern part was achieved as it only lasted until the following year when Haiti invaded. In 1844, Juan Pablo Duarte and Trinitarian movement obtained lasting Dominican independence from Haiti. In 1861, annexation by Spain. In 1863, the War Restoration led by Gregorio Luperon reestablished independence. In 1916, occupation by the United States, which lasted until 1924. By 1924, Rafael Leonidas Trujillo blocked governmental reform, and by 1930, he has established his dictatorship. By 1961, assassination of Trujillo was followed by disturbances until the election of Professor Juan Bosch in 1962. By 1965, following a coup d'etat, U.S. Marines occupied the country. By 1966, democratic system introduced with presidential election every 4 years. Joaquim Balaguer Ricardo Christian Socialist Reform Party then governed for 12 years. From 1978 to 1982, Silvestre Antonio Guzman Fernandez. From 1982 to 1982, Jacobo Magluta, Dominican Revolutionary Party. From 1982 to 1986, Salvador Blanco, Dominican Revolutionary Party. From 1986 to 1996, Joaquim Balaguer Ricardo, Christian Socialist Reform Party. From 1996 to 2000, Leonel Fernandez Reina, Dominican Liberation Party. And in 2000, Hipólito Mejia, Dominican Revolutionary Party. Okay guys, it was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursday. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.